Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. I'm reviewing the today's intraday trade for Nifty. In the morning, I made a quick reversal trade opportunity, how it appeared for that. You might have all seen that video. If you have not seen, please do see it. Actually, the reason for reversal trade was a quick trade, momentum trade in the early morning hours. Say, first hour, you will get. Because the reason for the trade, quick hour trade is, and the market gap down, broke down below this level. That was on 23,337. When it breaks down below this level, this is a breakaway gap. This is breakaway gap. When the breakaway gaps occurs, it will not fill usually it will not fill the gap. So when the previous day, the reading of RSI was below 50, that was around 40.64, that I have mentioned here. And when it gaps down, it gapped down to oversold position, and price action suggested. I am on the 30 minutes time frame. I'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. Price action and also RSI suggested a reversal in the market, some sort of reversal. That you can pocket it, you can take the trade. For that, how, let me disable this RSI and show it to you. Rolling volume VWAP, and also let me enable the time weighted average price, TWAP. See, you can see rolling VWAP, it was coming down. It was an hit actually to that level. I had already mentioned the target. You people need to, if you have taken the reversal trade, it may go up to 0.5 to 0.6 fib retracement of the gap. And mentioned in my video, there you can fix the target and close the trade. So that's how later the market developed it appeared as if people do mistake actually. It was an ORB breakout trade. They will think it as an ORB breakout trade. They will go for trading. But they forget that what was the prevailing trend? Prevailing trend was down. You need to put a candle like this for the gap and color it with, for your visual help, color it with red. Let me make it red. So then you will understand this will be a pullback. Later, actually, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth candle around 10:30. You were able to see weakness, dozy candle formation in the market, and also correspondingly RSI was also showing like that. So here it was the short trade. For an intraday trader, the person, fresh intraday trader, not the positional one, they can enter into the short trade here. They could have entered here by seeing the weakness. It is a dozy candle. Let me zoom it out. And the price hitting the rolling weighted volume average price getting rejected. And also second time, you can see and this average price, you can mark over here. There was a bend in the TWAP. When there is a bend in the TWAP, it indicates that weakness. Time-wise weighted average price is showing weakness when it comes to this candle. So it is a weakness. And it started, the first candle, you can see the first 15. After this first 15 candle, red candle is closing inside there, getting rejected and getting closing inside. And the second red candle after this, it is completely closing beneath this, getting rejected by both even the body is not there above the TWAP. Then it is a confirmation you could have gone for uh, put option. Put option at the money put option. If you would have selected 23,350, I'll show it to you how that also showed the strength, how you can make out. I will go to that. See, it continued. It started falling below this initial first 15-minute candle, and it started continuing down move. From here, it started continuing down move. It finally went up to 23,049.47, and our level is weekly level marked was weekly low based on the India VIX 22,950. So instead of it could have retraced, it could have gone past also. Today it could have halted here, but it continued down and it has come to 22,950. I'm not discussing the levels. Later I'm going to make the video about the Nifty levels and everything for the tomorrow's trade and analysis, everything. This is how you could have taken trade in the market. First thing, because it was oversold, we took a counter trade against the trend that actually the call option pocketed nearly 60 points. 60 points you were able to make because from 22,172 market rallied up to 23,340. That is 22,172 minus 23,340 gives you 23, let me calculate again, 23,345 minus 23,175, it is 170 points. If the index underlying rallies 170 points, at the money call option, minimum it will rally 50% of it. So if it is a 23,350 call option or like that, you could have got 60 points. Yes, it gave 60 points. Let me go back to the same call option. Let me show you 23,350 call option. Or let us go back to 23,300 call option. See, it came near 62. You can see the reading of the call option. I'm placing it made a low of 150 and made a high of 195. So 195 minus 150, 50 is equal to 80 points. So how you could have entered in this is lower time frame. Lower time frame with the help of RSI. Here you can see the market climbed above the VWAP. At that time, the reading was 138. But by experience, you can enter into this by early trade when it start making. See, if I change it to step line chart, you can see steps are increasing, right? It was coming down, and when the steps started moving higher above this, you could have entered around 128. This is how early entry you can make, but it is an aggressive entry. It comes with practice. Let us go back to the put option after 1 hour. What has happened to the put option? 23,350 put option. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Let me change it to candlestick chart. See, you can see it was when Nifty gapped down, the reading from the previous day it was around 121. The closing price was around 108, I believe. It's showing 108. It gapped up to 100 and 253. 253, that is almost more than 150 points. When it started coming down, you can see clearly nothing has changed. This TWAP has already crossed above the rolling VWAP, and the price is also about that. When price started coming down, and this will act as the guideline. This level will act as the guideline, and also price action helped us. Price action helped us. You could have gone for after 1 hour when it market started coming down, if you would have entered into the put option, because you cannot enter into the put option in the first 15 minutes. It's a gap up and it is moving up. You cannot, you should not. Why? You should not, because there will be lot of volatility in the market. There, only after 3 candles settled, we went for a reversal call option in the market. So here you can comfortably, because the structure it is making, let me take the tool. Where is that structure it is making? It's an higher high. The structure is higher high. If I change the path, step line, you can see this is the guideline for you people. This is the stop loss. This level 137, it came near 100 and if I place 163, if I make it a candle chart, that will be low is 149. So this is how you could have taken the trade. You need to master it. You need to see where the position of RSI is there. Let us go back to Nifty chart. Nifty chart, and let us check. You need to, before itself, these two levels, VWAP level 23,183, you need to mark it like this. And the TWAP level, let me change color to different for identification, because in live market everything will change. So you need to mark one day before itself to prepare your trade. Okay. Yeah. These are the two levels, TWAP levels, rolling VWAP level. So this may act as resistance for tomorrow. Immediately, if it goes up, suppose if it market gaps up, because the reason for that, market can do that. Why? Because RSI is oversold. RSI reading is oversold, then it may try to gather momentum if their intention is to sell and rise. Because market has not come to its level. Still, it is going down. If I go back to let me remove all the reading, all the lines, so that you can see where is the market position. Market has made a low here and another low here. And while climbing up, this is the level it climbed up. So it is now at the flip level. It has come down and it has gone up. And it was an aberration. This was on election day candle. election day, result day candle, that is on June 4th. We cannot forget that was on Tuesday. Tomorrow is also Tuesday. Since the market is oversold continuously, you can see the candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles consecutive bear candles you are seeing. And also on the daily chart, the RSI is becoming oversold. So you need to be careful actually, and there is an order block over here. There is an order block over here. Market, if it enters into the order block, that is between 22,924, or if it goes below that 22,800 or something, it can, if it closes, if the market, let me go there, let me take the tool, this tool, if it comes down and if it closes outside this order block, then you can anticipate for a reversal in the market. So it is just a few hundred points away from that. Now today's close is 23,085 and this is 23,915 to 23,800. So another 200 points, 100 to 200 points within a distance, there is an order block. So probably market can react from this level and it can seek some sort of support from this only if it starts closing, dips into the order block and reverses and closes outside the order block, you can anticipate a reversal in the Nifty index. That is a different question. That is a different analysis. This is how you can take trade with the help of RSI, TWAP, rolling, VWAP, everything. You can make a very good decision and you need to master the step line chart also. Step line will clearly tell you this is so what you need to do if there will be, because it will be moving very fast, you will get confused unless you are oriented to this step line chart, you will tend to make mistake. But it clearly indicates decay in the call option. It will tell you whether to enter into the call option premium price or a put option premium. It will clearly tell you. That will, this step line chart is very, very useful for entering into the option trade. See, you can do what you can do is if you are getting a lot of whipsaws for 30 minutes, you can change the time frame to 30 minutes and mark the 30-minute high and low of the this single bar here. Today's from here to here is a 30-minute candle. From here to here is a 30-minute candle. This is the first 30-minute candle. It is not showing in the low. Actually, it made a low of 23,172 because it is coded for closing price. Closing of the 30-minute candle. You can do that, but you can go and change the setting of the symbol to open or low. You can do that. You can, if you do settings to low, it will be very clear. So you are getting a low price. That will be good actually. You can make out whether there is a, so better tweak it to lower setting where you can go here and right click, go to the settings and change here. Click on the symbol, you can step line, you can whatever you want, you can keep it. If you better you keep it for the low. Close will not give you lower readings of the option premiums. Okay. Thank you very much, friends. Tomorrow, the supports are near. I discussed the order block is very near. Just carefully watch for the levels. Tuesday, tomorrow is Tuesday. If there is any morning itself, because already it is oversold, reading on the 15-minute chart and even on the 30-minute chart, the index is oversold. It is very oversold. So it is not wise to sell, go for selling in this area. It may remain oversold, but it is not wise to go for short trade at the RSI in oversold position. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nandakshi Swami signing off.